fun, yeah. You can tell right away when it's a smaller bass, like a, not a smaller bass, but.
In pole, I just stripped it so solid. As soon as I set, he kicked back.
Yeah, those ones you can tell right away. 2.5 pound fish. Yeah. Now just imagine, that fish is probably, I don't know, 4.5 pounds maybe, right? Oh. There's a fish for sure. There he is, that's a bass though. I could just see an owl thing behind it, so I wasn't sure, but I'm like, I still saw him in the area coming after the other time. I figured the fact that he missed it too. This one's got nice markings on it. No, go ahead and keep fishing. He's got cool markings though for out here. The transplant from the UP. Look at these all gray and stuff. That ain't that big though. Oh, what is that? Fuck. Well, you know when you said this is a real good pike spot last time, we were like, yeah, right, there ain't shit here. There is now. I just saw like the flash and it looked like it was gonna be a little lighter colored. Man, they're inhaling the flies though, man. That's a good sized flies. Oh yeah. I got it on video though. As soon as I turned and looked at it as a pike, hopefully I got it my head far enough around, I got on video. Oh, there's one. That might be a pike though. Pike or musky. I think it's a pike, yeah. Really? Okay. Oh, yeah, hammer it. Pike. It's a better size one though. Pike closer to 30. I got that one on film too, probably. I thought I saw someone fall, I'm like, oh, maybe it's that bass, so I got closer, I'm like, oh no, he just come up in a hail and just sitting there. No, the mother's gone. These are those little ones. This is probably what we did. Yeah, they're a little older now. This is a decent sized one, but it's probably what we lost. No. I think for a pike, it's a pretty good sized one. It's probably what I lost before. Same about area almost. Got blood gushing out his gills though. He's totally. Here's one. Oh, I fucked up. You meant to the boat launch, you could have stretched your line out, huh? Here's a fish. I spooked him. What's that? Oh, yeah. Finally. Oh. Come on, fish. There's one. Got him. He's only about 35 inches. So. This dark spot right here. Isn't it? West Calcium Fisher. It's a little one, but yeah, it's only like about 30. But the take was awesome. Just out of nowhere, right by the boat, you just inhaled it. It is like maybe 30. I hope this is recording. Is the numbers going?
It's blinking.
The numbers moving?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That was an awesome take. Like just out of nowhere, you just inhaled it right by the boat. It might be. I don't know. It's not real big though. He's not really that big though. Maybe 32. That was hilarious. I was hoping it was way bigger because he just hammered it. He's not that big. I was doing hand over hand and I just never seen anything like that. That was awesome. Got one? What is it? What is it? Alright, good. I was gonna say, that's alright. I was gonna say, there's a shitload of fish over here. Oh, that's a good one. There's a crap load of bait fish and stuff or something right here that I keep marking. It's alright? Yeah, we got you on board, man. It's like about, oh! I got that in the film. Get a little slow. That's good though. That's a good sign though that they're biting though. I just got done marking that spot too because I was like, yeah. I just marked that spot too because I'm like, maybe they're perched. If I ever take Lizzie out here, I'll come right here or something. Yeah. You want me to net it? Oh, the orange? Oh.
I was just curious.
This one right here? This one, Eli? It's flying catching dick. I think I'm gonna switch to. I think I have a lot of perch either, but I think I'm gonna probably gonna put a black on or something. Oh, he hammered it. Oh, it's a musky. It's a good one. It's like 40. There he goes. Here he comes. He smoked the shit out of it. Oh, that was. He smoked the living shit out of it. He's much more skinny than the other ones. But man, did he come up and clobber it. Oh. Yeah, I guess I'll stick it out. That was the last cast too. I was almost going to just reel it in. I was like, no, I'll wait. Oh, it's doing the head shakes down there. I can see him. Look at him, mouth wide open. What should I do?
Turn it back that way.
This way?
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, I'm back again.
Huh?
I'm back again. It got wrapped around my reel somehow. Got some big waves coming here in a second. Weeds. He should be worn out now. It's not even right. Oh, so yeah. No, that wasn't your fault. He was coming and all he flipped.
I was just trying to get it underneath.
Yeah, those weeds, I don't like him going to those weeds. He looked like he's coming all things. No, there's nothing you could do.
I was trying to get underneath and we would have gone.
No, there's nothing you could do. He just decided to turn when he saw it. There you go. I think he's getting pretty pooped anyways. He's still not in there that much bigger than my one from earlier. Oh, he's thicker than I thought. He looks skinny. better. It's still only like about 38, but he just looks huge. Dude, again, hand over hand, and he just killed there and just hammered it. My line's me, I'll twist around my rod. There we go. Not get it off now. I should get on the reel, just get it all the way. Oh, this is a lost fish. Back when Eli hit his on the time I was sitting here reeling up his line for him. He's really not that big, but just the fact that he came out and just hammered again like the other one did. His mouth looked so big when it came up. I thought it was going to be like a 45-inch fish or something. No. I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty fun when they hit it like that. It's fun. That's probably what they smoke the bucktails like that. The line's going across his mouth, which is probably fine with me because that way he's got good. We'll see where he goes. Yeah, let's go. I got two pretty good jumps on him. He's probably getting closer to 40. Yeah, I still 38. Tricky sometimes. Oh, we may have to stay fishing here for a little longer, huh? Maybe they're starting that little cloud cover. Maybe it started to get them more active. Got them? Thanks. Good job.